Hello everyone, welcome to myhobbycourses.com. I'm Felix and today I'll be teaching you about the order dashboard on the student account. So firstly, to access it, you'll want to go to the profile drop-down menu and you'll want to select My Orders. This is where a record of all of the orders that you've made will be kept. If you want to zoom in for specifics on a specific order, all you have to do is click the order number. And here we have details about it. We've got the tutor information, we've got the prices of what you paid, alongside certain more details down here. With the details we can see the class date of when it's hosted, we can see the start time and end time, we can see the duration, the subject and the session type. With the tutor info, we will see the tutor's name and their profile. We will also see the price and hour here. We will see the order number and some billing information, when it was created, when it was paid, and if you want also, we can download the order in the PDF format. So here we're downloading it in PDF. This is essentially like an e-receipt, so you can see all of the details on here, and you can also print it out if you need be. That's essentially how to use the order dashboard as a student, and thank you all for watching.